Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing Get Eaten. Yeah.
With me.
Yay. We're so
Go
on my hoverboard.
Oh, I just turned into poop.
Wait, you turned into poop?
Yeah, I turned into poop anyway. I got pooped.
Why can't I turn stuff?
Where are you? Where are you? 20 points to unlock. How did you get lucky? You're so lucky!
You can take my cloud. Get it. I took it out.
I'm restarting because I got glitched into it.
That's not bad. That's good.
No, not into the cloud. Where's the cloud? Where's the cloud?
Someone stole it. Sure, I'll get something else. Get into my wonderful mini bus.
I want the unicorn.
Get into my wonderful mini bus.
I want to go into your
Get in my mini
No!
bus. I'll give you a unicorn if you get in my mini bus.
Fine.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Oh, I can't go in there, dude. I don't have that much money.
Well, you are in it. You're in it. Anyway.
Okay, geez. Oh. We glitched.
Welcome aboard. Whee! Okay, I'll get you a unicorn. I'll get your unicorn.
Thank you. Finally.
Thank you.
I only have 430.
I have 3,000 points.
You're so lucky. Please give me a unicorn. Give me the unicorn.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, it has a cool path.
It's also very slow.
I don't care. It's a unicorn and it has a cool path.
Da-da-da.
No, let me out, please.
Get it.
Yes. Wait, where do I go? Oh, it doesn't let me go. Ah!
It's hard to drive.
How do I drive? Dude.
Learn how to drive, kid.
It's not letting me drive. Wait, get off my bed, dude.
Beep, beep.
This level 10 person's trying to get on my unicorn.
Don't let him on it.
I'm
a level 10 person. Woo!
I'm flying off the edge. Can you give me a cloud? I want to ride on the cloud. I want to know what it feels like. I want to know what it feels like to ride.
I'm turning into poop.
Oh my gosh. So I got the pick the adopt me.
Ah!
So he gets the pick that we played.
No!
Whatever. I'm gonna ride a pizza.
They added toilets. So you want a cloud?
Why am I so
Here,
bad
let me get you a cloud.
Wait, that's not pizza, that's a cookie. Oh.
Huh?
Is that a cookie or a pizza?
What are you talking about?
That's a pizza, right?
That's a pizza.
Yeah, okay. For a second I thought it was a cookie.
How do you think that's a cookie?
I don't know.
Hey Lydia, I got the cloud for you.
You did? Where?
Take it or don't.
I'm coming!
You catch me if you can.
Not you.
Let me get you a pizza.
Wait, I can't get on. There we go. Oh, I can't go to any of these. Why?
Meep, meep, meep.
Beep, 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 beep. Ah, I'm going backwards.
Pizza!
Cloud. And the cloud is making me upside down.
Pizza!
Oh, jeez, I turned into poopy. I turned into a bunch of poopy.
Oh no!
I turned into poop.
Congrats.
Oh, it even has
I guess
texture.
you don't have to describe that. Come on, get in my car, yo.
I'm the popo. I'm the popo. I'm the popo. Why me? Did you literally see me? Did you see me go off that edge, huh? Did you see me? Did you see me?
It was hilarious.
No, it was not. It was not hilarious. Do 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 do. Dodge, 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 dodge.
Ah!
Or dodge, 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 dodge. Wow! Dodge, 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 dodge. Wow! Dodge, 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 dodge. Dude, oh, the texture on the arm.
You don't have to.
Damn texture. Damn texture.
You know, if you get more money if it's not full
I know.
and it's hungry.
I know what you want to go.
Driving cars like when like this first came out
Oh my
was
gosh!
so much easier.
This is so hard. I can't drive this hot dog.
Nobody can drive
I hate
anything.
you, cake. This dude just rammed into me with a cake. Oh yes, hot dogs rule.
Full speed! Cause a choking hazard! Choking hazard!
Its lips are so weird though. Them lips are like no, no,
You're weird.
no, no, no.
At least my thing barks.
Yours barks.
Yeah, it goes bow, 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 bow.
Damn textures. Damn. No, legit has
I'm
a
gonna
texture.
kill you.
It legit has a texture.
I'm legit gonna kill
Fine, I
you.
won't say that again if you give me one of those.
Fine. I'll give you something.
I don't want the unicorn. I don't want the unicorn. It's hard to drive.
This is easy to drive. I drive this like all the time, and it's easy. If I could just get in the driver's seat. That's the only thing I hate about this. There you go. Try and get me if you can, boy! Bye!
You're so mean to me.
Try and get it.
I'm trying to drive. Dude.
That was not on purpose. That was not on purpose.
You're so mean.
Oh, that was not on purpose. Here, I'll get you a gold bar. Ready?
Where are you?
You want some pie?
Where are you? Are you?
Meh.
You have.
I'm
I'm
having
a
pie.
can. I'm in a can.
Try and get my pie.
Where are you?
You want my pie?
Yeah.
Come and get it.
Where are you? Wait, it looks like she's.
Come and get my pie. Pie. Come. You missed the pie, Lydia.
Where are you?
You missed it.
Where?
It just went down the slide.
Oh, I didn't see. I'm sorry, I was just trying to poop.
You missed the pie.
I didn't say texture, huh? Okay.
And you know those cans are actually like the legendary things? So you got it.
I took it. I want that bus. Give me that bus. Give me that bus. Give me the bus. Give me that bus. Give me that bus.
Alright guys, it's 6 o'clock.
Well, we got to end the video here. Now please let me have it.
Catch me if you can. Da-da.
Dude.
Give it to me.
I officially hate you. I officially hate you.
Oh my god. That was so on accident.
Hard to believe.
It is. Whenever I fall off, I don't mean to. I don't want to fall off. The Meep is a good car to drive.
Yes.
Anyways,
Okay, well,
hope
we
you guys
gotta
enjoyed
end
the
the
video.
video here,
Yeah,
and-
please like and subscribe. Dabba-doo, dabba-doo,
Bye.
dabba-doo. Why is these poor meats getting ran over by so much stuff? Gum, police cars. Jeez, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, sorry this is a 10-minute video like my last one. Yeah, sorry. Damn texture. Oh my god.